In this video, we'll show you how to install AddonPeds in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to install custom characters to your GTA 5, you can use AddonPeds to easily install them into your game. First, you can go to gta5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description to get the AddonPeds. Now when you're here, you can click download and then you can save it somewhere on your PC. Next, for demonstration, I'll install Snoop Dogg AddonPed. So you can go to gta5mods.com. I'll also put the link in the description. So just download it here, and then to install them we need OpenIV. You can go to OpenIV.com and here just press download now to download the exe file. Next, we also need native UI. You can go to the GitHub page. I'll put the link in the description. Just click release.zip here and download it. And also we'll need scribblev and scribblev.net. You can also click the link in the description and download them. So after you finish downloading, you'll have all the files required: the AddonPeds, the custom pads, OBI setup, native UI, scribblev and scribblev.net. And to install it, you will need your GTA 5 directory. On Steam, you can go to library and then right click on your GTA 5, go to manage and select browse local files. On Epic Games, you can go to library and then find your GTA 5, click the three dots next to it, manage, and then click the folder icon to go to your GTA 5 directory. And now you have your GTA 5 directory, and let's go ahead and install the mods. First, we're gonna install native UI, scribblev and scribblev.net. You can open up the zip file with WinRAR 7-zip, but for this I will use WinRAR. So let's first open up the scribblev, right click, open with WinRAR, and here go to bin folder, and what you need is X input, scribblev, and D input 8. And you can drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory like that. And there we go, that's done. Let's go next to scribblev.net, open it up with WinRAR, and inside it what you need is all of these files. All right, we're gonna do the same, drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory. Next, let's install native UI. You can open it up with WinRAR, and here you'll have these two files. And now what you need to do is create a scripts folder. If you already have it, you don't need to create a new one, but in this case I don't have it. So what I'm gonna do is right click on GTA 5 directory, select new, and then folder. So you'll have a new folder here, and we're gonna rename it to scripts, and then we're gonna drag and drop these two files into the new scripts folder. So just like that. Now you can delete all of the installed zip files, and let's install the AddonPeds. First, we need to install OpenIV. So let's open up the exe files, and here just select continue, read the terms, click I accept, and continue again. Here you don't need to change anything, continue, and then download the necessary files. After that's done, you can close it and then open up OpenIV, and here you'll be greeted with this. So just select GTA 5 Windows, and then you need to point to your GTA 5 directory. So click browse, go to your GTA 5 directory, and click select folder. Click continue. All right, now we're inside OpenIV. So here what we need to do first is enable the edit mode. So at the top right here, click it and then press yes. Next, you can go up here and select tools and then ASI manager, and then just install ASI loader, OpenIV ASI, and open camera. After that, you can close it, and now we can install the AddonPeds. Open up the AddonPeds zip file, right click, open with WinRAR, and then inside it you'll have scripts file, DLC packs, and AddonPeds editor. So you can go to your GTA 5 directory, scripts folder, you can open it up, and then you'll have pet selector DLL. Go to the scripts folder inside your GTA 5 directory, and then what we're gonna do is just drag and drop it into the folder. And then for these two files, you can drag and drop it into your main directory. So just like that. All right, so next for the DLC packs, you can go to OpenIV, and here go to mods, and then update x64 DLC packs, and you can open up the DLC packs folder, and you have this folder. So what we're gonna do is just drag and drop it into the DLC packs on OpenIV. There we go. So you have that, and now we're gonna add AddonPed to the DLC list. So to do that, you can go to mods, update RPF, common, data, and here look for DLC list.xml. So just right click on it and hit edit. Scroll down, select one of the lists, right click and hit copy, and you can press enter, right click here and paste it. Now we're gonna rename it into AddonPeds. You can click save now, and AddonPeds is installed. So how you gonna install the Snoop Dogg AddonPed? First, you can open up the zip file and open up the folder, and inside this folder look for these files. So YMT, YFT, and a folder. Now on OpenIV, you can go to mods, update x64 DLC packs AddonPeds, and then DLC RPF, and open up the Peds RPF, and here simply simply just drag and drop it into the Peds RPF. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. You have everything now. And go back to your GTA 5 directory, look for AddonPeds editor.exe, right click on it, click run as administrator. And now you have this menu here. Go to Peds and select new pet. For the model name, you can type the pet's name and pet type male. You can read these to understand. So for me, it's true. And then you can click add pet. There we go. And the last step is click rebuild. And there we go. The AddonPeds and the add-ons is installed. Alright, inside GTA 5, to open the AddonPeds menu, you can press L on your keyboard. And then you have pet selector menu. Go to AddonPeds and you have your custom pets. You can select that and there we go. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.